Hello everyone. The UK immigration rules are now changing. What you need to know. This is July 2025 update. The UK government has just released a statement of changes. Document HC 997. And trust me, these are some of the biggest immigration updates in the years so far. So, whether you are a student, a care worker, skilled worker, or planning to move, this will affect you one way or the other. So let me break it down. Number one, the big salary threshold increase to get a skilled worker visa. That is, your job must now pay more. Here's what is going to change. Now, the general salary threshold is now £41,700, which was formerly £38,700. So as a fresh graduate, you as a new entrant now, it will be £33,400, which was formerly £30,960. So lower threshold, like people in the public sector, it has been increased to 28,200. So it has affected educational public sector also. So the bottom line is that if your job offer doesn't meet these new salaries, you can't be sponsored. Can you hear me right? You can't be sponsored. So number two, care workers route is closing if you are outside the UK. You will no longer be able to get sponsored as a care worker or a senior carer or a senior care worker after 22nd of July 2025, this month. But if you are already in the UK, you can switch into a care worker role until July 2028. If you have worked 3 months for that employer before they issue the COS, that is Certificate of Sponsorship, after July 22, students can't switch into care worker roles either, unless you previously had a skilled worker visa in that job. Do you hear me? Unless you previously had a skilled worker visa in that job. So number three, dependents. So there is a big restrictions. You want to bring your family, only certain eligible skilled worker roles, mostly degree level, can bring dependents now. So care workers who got their visa before the cutoff and maintain continuous employment may still sponsor family. But new care workers applicants cannot bring dependents anymore. Can you hear me right? New applicants won't be able to bring dependents anymore. So number four, there is something called transitional provisions. There is still hope if you are already here, if you are already in the UK under a care role before July 22nd, 2025. You can either extend your visa, you can change your employers if there are conditions to that. You understand? You can also apply for settlements. You understand? You can also apply for settlements. But you must stay continuously employed, and the employer must have sponsored you properly. There are due process to this. You must have been sponsored properly by your employer. Number five, a new temporary shortage occupation list, TSOL. The old shortage occupation list is gone. A new temporary list is here, which will be valid till December 2026. This includes roles like the HR officers, payroll clerks, electricians, welders, design technicians. The list is more than that. So for these roles I've mentioned now, there's still no dependents. Dependents are not allowed under these roles either. So, and you still need to meet the new salary threshold. You still need to meet the new salary threshold. So what does all this mean? This is a clear move by the UK government to reduce immigration. This is a clear move to reduce immigration, especially for low-paid and lower-skill roles. So now, sponsorship is becoming more harder. So it is hard to qualify now for sponsorship. So it is more expensive for the employers also and less flexible for families. It is now less flexible for families, unlike before. So what you should do, my guy, please stay informed. Stay informed. Information is key. The rules are strict but clear. Know where you stand. Number two, explore alternatives. Oh. Can you qualify under a higher skill route? Check plan A, search your plan B. Or can you upgrade your skill? Can you upskill? Number three, have a plan B. A one powerful strategy. You can start your own business and eventually let that business sponsor you. And most importantly, don't panic. These changes sound tough, but the right strategy can still get you to your goal. So if you have got any questions about this situation, kindly drop them below or message me. Let us figure it out together. Thank you very much. Peace.